Take a good look at the code below. What will be left at the end of this puzzle? Nothing. This code will leave only level ground. This code will leave the pile completely untouched. This code will leave the holes completely untouched. This code will leave the last hole untouched.